Alex, are you ready to go with Cody?
Yes, we are.
And what are we doing with it?
We need to get digital. So if Mohammed can promise that we get digital today, we can go ahead and set the exams
Well, the exam is already
because everything
set.
else is ready.
The exam's already
Is it?
set
Okay.
for August 4th at 12:30, unless you need adjourn PCC waiting for that digital.
Yeah, I just need to hear from Mohammed on that. So he just got here and yeah. So let me just check with Mohammed real quick.
All right, just let me know. I'm gonna mute you just because I hear all the background.
Shut up.
As soon as you get me a signed piece of paper, I'll get it going for you.
Peter, are you done with the prosecutor?
I talked to Jacob and we have to adjourn. He didn't reach out to the alleged victim in the case. So
Okay.
there's nothing to do except set it for a final pretrial on the 4th. He's going to bring a form in. I gave him my consent to sign my name. And unfortunately, Mr. Aiken is going to be, unless I can get in front of the judge and ask if he'd be willing to convert this to a personal bond, unfortunately, Mr. Aiken is going to be remaining custody because he doesn't have enough money to bond out.
All right. Hold on. If you want to go in front of the judge for a bond argument, we can.
I would prefer. Yeah, I think the judge should at least know that
Okay.
he's can't bond out and
All right,
he'll
it's
be
up.
there another week.
All right. So when Mr. Aiken comes on, I'll put you guys in a breakout room just so you can explain it to him. And then
All right.
once you're done, then we'll go in front of the judge.
All right. I appreciate it, Heather. Thank you.
Yep. Alex, you're muted. Did you get your answer? You're muted.
Oh, I know.
Yes, we're all set.
So what are we gonna do? Are we going
We're
for
gonna hold the
exam?
exam.
Hold the exam next week?
That's my understanding. Yeah. Let me double check. I have a. Let me just double check my notes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're all set on Cody, so we'll hold it on the fourth.
So
I
August
think. Hold
4th.
on.
Yep.
I'm just re-verifying because the calendar for the attorney just got updated.
Oh. Do we know which attorney it's going to be?
That's Cheryl Quick.
Cheryl Quick. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, hmm. Yeah, yeah, she's got it on her calendar still, so that's good. Well, it's 12:30 on the fourth.
Correct. Yep.
Okay, that sounds good to me.
All right. Did you hear that, Mr. Cody?
Yes, sir, ma'am.
All right. So we'll see you here in the building next Tuesday at 12:30. Okay.
Okay, so I'm not seeing the judge today?
Nope. You're all good. Everything's set for next week. It's already scheduled.
All right, I just asked him in the court where I go, or
Yep.
you
Whenever you
already-
come to when you come to the courthouse, just let them know that you're here for your hearing.
I know it's a deal.
Okay, will do.
All right. Thanks. Have a good day.
It's all right. I
Okay,
remember
you
most
too,
of it.
bye-bye.
We don't have digital on any of it.
Joe, while you're in there, will you grab and cross off COTE, please? Marlisa, are you arraignments?
Yes.
All right.
Heather, can I confirm that Alon's has G-Base done with the 34th district as far as we know?
Yes, from what I understand, it is.
Great, fantastic. Thank you.
Yep. Hi, Odin.
Hi, how you doing?
Alrighty, I'm just verifying you're the victim on the Morgan case, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room.
Heather, I'm bringing a file up for arraignment. It's Van Buren in case they log in while I'm
And then who's your attorney?
star.
Thank you. Good morning, Trovius.
Good morning. How's it going?
Alrighty, how you doing?
I'm all right.
All right. Van Buren has not jumped on yet, so it'll just be a few minutes.
Okay, perfect. Hey, Heather, you still there?
I am.
They'll email me, right?
Yes, I'm almost positive they email you the information, which they should have already done because the file's already up here.
Oh, really? Maybe it
Yeah.
went to my spam.
Yeah, it would have came from
Oh,
Marlisa.
I just got it at
Yep.
9:01.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay.
Alex, I know there's two that are in custody, but I think it's going to take a while because we're still waiting for one to speak to MIDC. So I don't, if you want to turn off your camera, you're more than welcome to because you're kind of making me dizzy. But thank you. But I'll let you know whenever they come on, but I'm sure it'll be a little bit. Is the arraignment.
We haven't seen him in a while. And here's the file. You know what file it is?
It's the Miller file. It should be sitting on top of it.
Aiken?
No.
Miller, you said. Tell her to start putting her name at the top of the plea agreement, then I'll know who she is.
Oh, I was.
Good morning, council. Your appearance for Miss Miller. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm happy to tell you we have an actual result this matter today. Ms. Miller is going to plead guilty to this charge. No, that is prominent person.
All right. Miss Miller, did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney? Did you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today? Do you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on March 13, 2024? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence Miss Miller?
Your Honor, unfortunately, there is no driving record in the file, but I have explained to Ms. Miller how to go to the Secretary of State.
Good.
Get her driving record, figure out what she's got out there. I do know that the court file here contains a no proof of insurance from, I think, 2021. I'm
Yep.
sure that's keeping her from having a valid.
Yeah. Yep.
And she does have my number.
Okay.
So if you have any questions, I will help you figure it out. Because driver's license records are the easiest things to.
Are you working?
Yes, I just got into a job in a nursing home.
Good. Good, good. Full time? Okay. We got a lot of stuff you owe money on.
She owes this court a ton.
You owe anybody else? Any other courts?
I just don't know where.
You ever have you ever had a ticket in Livonia? Okay, I'll check it out because Livonia just sent us an email that says they're doing an amnesty program. So, yeah, Avery's supposed to be posting notices around our building today. So, check and see if you owe them money. Now's the time to go see them because you might be able to get out without late fees and penalties. Okay. When's the last time you worked? Have you been off work for a while?
No, I'm working right now. I've been working at this nursing home for a year.
Oh, okay. Okay. I had the impression it was a new job. All right. So one of the things you can do on the $2,000 that you owe us, I haven't sent you on this one. We'll get to this one. On the $2,000 you already owe us, if you go down and talk at the front counter, talk to Mr. Taylor about payment options, we might be able to do some kind of a deal where you do some community service hours and pay some money and we're taking care of your debt quicker. Okay. But I need you to do something, put a plan in place. So when you walk out of here, we know what your intentions are on that $2,000. Okay. All right. Anything before I sentence today? Did he swallow a fly or something? All right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna waive some late fees on this. You got $100 worth of show cost fees and $50 worth of warrant costs. I'm not gonna hit you with those. Find the cost on the file, $500, and I'm ordering 4 days on the core work program. The work program, let me go back. The $500, add that into your 2,000 that you owe, and then you can work some kind of a deal on everything. Okay. The work program, we assess work program as an alternative to jail. We run the program 7 days a week. You pick which days you want to work. The days you pick, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Questions? All right, good luck with your license. And when she offered to help you with your license, take her up on it. If you get your driving record and you don't know what it means, let her know.
Go down and see Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor, Your Honor.
Yep. Yep.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I gotta put this on the agreement, Bill. I thought that was.
Nope, I got it. I got it.
Thank you, Bill.
Yeah, I know.
We just got a notice yesterday they're doing amnesty. I don't know the details.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a good way to close files too. Are you on Aiken?
No, I'm just kidding.
Aiken? I've got a file up here, but no.
That's me, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's Zoom. Aiken, is that you in jail?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I've already got a clear.
But they have. What is saying that, he's like, well, it's a thing, business.
No bond for or something.
So is he.
So they're gonna break out. So that's why he has to speak to his client, and they're gonna adjourn it for next week, but he wants to argue bond. I mean, make sure Jay is out. Yeah. How far do you want to go out? What do you think?
I'm supposed to have additional discovery that fixing the wrong stuff. It should be.
Tuesday, do you want?
I'll give
Now
me.
you.
Or let's see,
That would be better.
let's go. Well, maybe not Tuesday. We give you another one.
I have,
I'll get it first.
September.
Yeah, September first, it's right there. My schedule too.
That us. Right.
No, but I mean, that's right.
Oh, we did.
Did she not say, did I get that big? It's fine, I'll just come here and get my case.
Yeah, she's Belleville Romulus that day.
That's fine. I'll just come here and do this here.
So you,
Marlisa, what time are we gonna do that arraignment?
Van Buren's trying to log in right now.
Okay. I've got a gap in proceedings right now.
I mean, I know she has been thirties. I mean, she'll pass.
No, that's before they get to the qualifications too, so. That'd be great.
Was this Mohammed or?
Can you put Mr. Starr in a breakout room with Mr. Davis? I love that jacket.
Is that?
I love that jacket.
Thank you, sir. I did need a little more color, brightened up a little bit.
Mr. Granada, are you ready on Aiken?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's get him out of the breakout room. All right. Appearances on the People versus Aiken.
29.
Peter Granata, P78413, MIDC counsel for Mr. Aiken.
I understand we're setting this for a final pretrial next week.
Yes, Your Honor. I'd also like to make a bond argument.
Okay, give me just a second. So that's gonna be the 4th.
Yes, sir.
All right, currently, the bond is, according to what I'm reading, 5,000, 10%. No
That's my
contact
understanding.
with Shanda Roberts and Kimberly Newton, and do not return to 131 South Ponderosa Trail. That
Yes,
someone
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, go ahead and make your argument, sir.
Your Honor, Mr. Aiken has been incarcerated since, I believe, around July 2nd. And we believe, based on information and belief and contact with his relatives, that the complainant in this case is not going to appear, not going to press charges. We would ask the court to reconsider the cash bond and allow Mr. Aiken out on a personal bond. Same amount. He is definitely going to appear because he wants the case dismissed. He wants to resolve the case.
I got bodies trapped.
Yeah, I have to.
No, that's all right. Just want to make sure you know. All right, let me give prosecutor a chance to respond. Hold on a minute, hold on a minute. if you want him to hear, you gotta talk right into that mic.
I'll just leave it up to the court's discretion. I don't understand. Aside from this being a lot, 10% now, but I'll leave it up to us.
Have you had any contact with the victims?
No.
This has been on my notes. I know it was last week, but he was incarcerated, we didn't break him or something along those lines, or it wasn't, so I had a chance to really dive into that.
Okay, but I mean, nobody showed up last week to talk to you that you know of. All right. Did Mr. Aiken have a job before he went in custody?
Yes, sir.
Where were you working, sir?
I work for Blue Line Irrigation. It's in Madison Heights.
How long have you been with Blue Line?
Since the beginning of this season, so since April.
Where'd you work before Blue Line?
I worked for Lakeside, a different irrigation company.
Been in that business for a while?
13 years, sir.
All right. I'll change it to a 5,000 personal. All the other
Thank you,
conditions are
Judge.
the same. Mr. Aiken, you understand those conditions?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $5,000 if you violate bond?
Yes, sir.
That means if you screw up on those bond conditions, you're back where you are right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank
Mr.
you,
Nava.
Judge.
Anybody else at the jail?
Thank you, Peter.
Thank you, Devin.
Mr. Aiken,
Yes.
could you tell the deputy we're ready for Mr. Clark?
Yep.
Thank you.
Alex, this one's gonna be yours.
I always say,
Yes, hello, who do we have?
if you ever spill something on it, you just be like, what are we doing on your case again? So he.
They just bring him out of my custody.
Multiple different.
Yeah.
He hasn't even up for the gun. No, he did. Oh.
Morning, counsel. I want to know what that image is. I recognize that image. I don't know who it is. I thought it was. You'll have to tell me the significance for you. Not right now.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Break up. And Kevin Clark, you already know what you're doing?
Kevin Clark.
You're gonna be home to break up.
What's he doing?
Dear.
Yeah, it's all right. I trust him. Yeah. Wayne County, can you hear us?
Yes, I can. I got Mr. Tackett that's here also. Mr. Clark is en route to us.
That's all right. That's all right. We can deal with that.
Okay, so I'll get Mr. Tackett in the seat right now.
Perfect. Thank you. Also for Alex.
Yep.
Mr. Weinberg, did you discuss a date? Pick a Tuesday. Adjourn. You're just adjourning the PCC or you want to set an exam?
I'd like to adjourn. May I approach you?
Yeah. Your appearance for Smith.
Want me to put on the record?
Yeah.
Scott Weinberg, P45874.
Okay.
So,
You want to go off record?
yeah, well, I just explain what we'll do.
So.
Alex, I'm showing you in a breakout room with Mr. Tackett.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, so.
Once I got it, first, but it was investigation.
People will be my clerk or you must call my somebody. Like I said, these two people that they should which is pretty much cool.
So it's is it now investigation? Wait, that but so we're still really. I don't see it right after, but so I'd like to still hear the PCC if you want. So June.
Heather, go out 2 weeks.
2 weeks for another PCC.
PCC.
Like,
Probably will be in 2 weeks.
Yeah, Judge Martin.
that the, can we do it on the 18th because I'm gonna be icing.
Somebody else I know is going to, oh, Tina's going to Iceland.
No way, for the solar.
I think so. I don't know, but I think I heard she was going to Iceland.
I'll text her. And see.
Yeah, text her.
That's the most important.
What time?
It's gonna be on the 18th at 9:30 with Judge Patton.
Continue bond, all right?
Thank you.
No problems there?
All right.
Yeah.
So my son who lives in Chicago, his wife traveled and they chased the solar eclipse. We did it 2 years ago in Dallas. And so this year.
It's as good as any other reason to go places. Yeah. Yeah.
So the solar eclipse, I mean,
Yeah.
it's everywhere. You get to see it's right over right.
I know some kids that honeymooned. I know some kids that honeymooned in Iceland.
Yeah, what?
Honeymoon there.
Oh, in Iceland?
And they went over there, they just rented like a van that was tricked out for a camper. And they just lived on the cheap all around the country for like 2 weeks. And my God, the pictures they had.
It's an incredible scene. And Wales, it's just,
Yeah.
suppose I've never been.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for it, although my wife's got backpacks. Maybe we're going with my son-in-law, my son, my daughter-in-law, and Makatuna. No, Makatuna.
Who?
Makatuna. No, Makatuna. It's Yiddish for my kids' in-laws.
Okay.
So we're going with her parent.
It's gonna be. Yeah.
Makatuna.
Have you ever traveled with them before?
You know, I know them.
Yeah.
Another job. I don't know, we'll see. So I might be available on that.
Yeah.
See.
That's it, none of us use delete all of it. This guy,
You talking to me or Heather? Go ahead.
so this guy got run over on 2 charges, 2 were dismissed.
Hold on. Didn't I hear that Tina was going to Iceland?
Yeah, September.
Yeah.
Yeah, so is he. So is Scott Weinberg for the eclipse.
But he's going in August.
Sure.
No, he's going in, oh, he did say
Yeah.
2 weeks. So,
Well,
oh, yeah.
That's right. He scouted out for. All right. So this guy got bound over.
So on 2 charges, but they didn't address count 5, which is a double penalty.
I don't know what that means.
I didn't know either, but
3, 4, 5. No, it was
no,
between.
that's count, that's on defendant 1. Keep reading down, I know, it's very confusing. So habitual, he said this is.
That's not a.
He said it's not habitual, but some offenses have it, see right here?
Yeah, so
The
that's
double
count 4.
penalty.
That shouldn't be count 5. That's count 4 still. See count 4. That's.
We made it a count. See, look here. We have. No, 4 is there.
Yeah, that's the count 4, which should.
What are you looking at? He's got 5. He's the RLA.
Yeah,
Our,
we entered.
It's complaint 1, guys.
Yeah.
So there's 4 counts on the complaint 1, but there's 4 counts.
so I just dismissed that one. But how do we get that double penalty thing in there?
This needs to be changed to this, to that code. Instead of that code.
That's something I can do?
I could just change this back from June 23rd, do a C and change, be count specific, change it to this code. We'll have to, we have to dismiss this.
So can I do it after I already found it over? Can I take out what I did?
You should be able to, yes. You can just change it, yes.
Yeah.
You can just change that and then we'll just have to dismiss this.
Dismiss this. and put
Dismiss
this-
and put down that should never,
Put this code in for
Yeah.
this.
actually, this should probably be removed. Or at least can, I think, I don't know if they can delete or just remove that one count. I don't know how that works because I don't have that control.
Gotcha.
Cause like this just needs, that just needs to be changed to that, this
You need to ask Marlisa
Because
if we need to remove.
The attorney's saying he's not, this doesn't apply to him, double penalty, but they're saying it does. So this is a fight for downtown, not
The
me.
complaint and warrant.
Yeah, I agree. Okay.
Why is Ribbons on Zoom? Oh, maybe it's just not on. Oh, do we have anybody? There they are. I'm gonna throw you.
Yeah, we're all set on Mr. Davis.
Oh, are you? Okay, Van Buren's back on.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Devon Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trovia Star on behalf of Mr. Davis.
Would you
Mr.
waive
Dave, did you get
formal
your name?
reading?
Devon Davis.
Thank you.
Counsel, would you waive
We
formal
stand
reading?
mute. Yes, we stand mute, waive the formal reading.
Thank you. I'm having trouble. Your audio is kind of spotty. All right, we're looking at a probable cause conference date for August 11, 2026. That's going to be with Judge Martin, so that'll be on Zoom. We're scheduling an exam for August 18 with Judge Martin as well. Let's talk about bond. Have you seen the bond recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor. I saw the bond recommendation was $10,000, 10%. My client has 4 of the following. He's father of 8 children, and 5 of them reside with him. The other 3, they come to him on the weekends. He works for Please Move Me, which is a organization related to the VA hospital, where they help move veterans and help repair their houses. He's been doing that for about a good 5-6 years. He does have a record. He informed me that most of his record was when he was a juvenile, and that he actually did prison time when he was a juvenile. I know they're charging him with an habitual fourth offender notice, and I believe just one of those was when he was an adult, 2013. Your Honor, he informs me that right now he's low on cash, just paid rent, just paid child support. If a personal bond is out of the question, he has about $200 for bond, and we were asked if to satisfy any court's concern to give him a tether, if you think that's warranted.
All right. Once again, your audio is a little spotty. He can afford how much?
$200. Let me disconnect from Wi-Fi. One moment.
Okay, that's fine. Morning, counsel. Just wake Joe up. He'll talk to you. Wake him up. That's all right.
Same wake him up. How you doing? Great.
On Zoom.
He's not yet because he will be.
Okay.
Mr. Tackett's on right now with, Alex.
Okay.
And then they will put Mr. Clark in the chair.
Okay. I think we have like a couple minutes.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait for them to put him on.
Okay.
And then, but I'll throw you.
All right, you want to try that, Mr. Starr?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah, that's better. Yeah, so far, at least. Okay.
Yes, he has about $200 to post for bond.
Okay. He's got a lot of non-appearances on his record. I got FTAs out of Taylor, Ipsy, Brighton, Westland, Allen Park. Do you know what those warrants are for, Mr. Starr?
I believe
those are all for driving.
Hold on, Mr. Davis. Let your attorney talk.
I believe those are all for traffic related matters, driver license suspended, no insurance, things of the like.
I may have to break away, but I wanted to at least talk with you.
Thank you. Sorry about that, Mr. Starr.
No, it's okay.
Okay, Mr. Starr, I can't do a personal bond on this.
Okay.
He's got too many FTAs. I'm just gonna set a straight 10,000, 10%. So we're gonna do his PCC at 8:30. Mr. Davis, you understand your bond?
Yes.
Your Honor, what's the case number here?
Today's file is 260458. Mr.
Okay,
Davis,
thank you.
just to let you know, you also owe $450 on a double parking from 2023. Looks like you got a bad habit of not taking care of your business. You should fix that. All right. Good luck, Mr. Davis. Mr. Starr, we'll keep you posted on anything new coming in.
Okay,
I
do you want me to
appreciate
log
it.
off or just, or what?
Either way, you can hang out right there, just mute yourself, or you can log off. We'll call you.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Ignatius, are you ready?
You're discovered.
Yes.
This one
All right.
is.
Tackett. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Tackett, please. Oh,
Thank you, not today, with Independence City, 87455.
Mr. Tackett, can you hear us okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. What are we doing today?
We are setting this matter for preliminary examination.
All right, we're currently scheduled for August 4th. Does that still work?
That still works for us.
Okay, got it set at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. All right, anything else?
Your Honor, if you would request a reduction in.
Then hold on, Joe. Kaplan or Mohammed, I need them in here to talk about bond.
Okay.
On Scott Tackett. Hold that argument just for a minute, counsel.
Mohammed. Yep, there's Mohammed. Oh,
Good, Mr. Mohammed, you there? Well, his device is on anyhow.
His computer on the right.
Okay. Good morning, fellas. And
We're both here, Judge.
you want to talk about bond from there? That's all right with me. On Scott Tackett?
Or I can come in. Do you prefer that, Judge?
Oh, I don't care. Either one. Whatever's easier on you guys. You're pretty busy. I know that. So what I've got on this file, ROA shows 20,000, 10% GPS tether for location. Counsel, make your argument.
Your Honor, Mr. Tackett is currently incarcerated in Wayne County Jail. He's got a hold for a BOP, which is scheduled for today or tomorrow with Judge Van Houten.
Hold on just a minute. We've been having trouble with our mics. Can you guys hear counsel as he's talking?
No.
So I was
We
afraid
heard
of.
you. We hear you though, Judge.
All right, try the other mic. We've been having trouble with all of them this week, but try that. Yes. That's all right. Did you hear that?
No, Judge. It's very difficult.
I need one of you guys to come in here then. Sorry.
I'm coming in, Judge.
I'll come with you. And that way I can have.
Sorry about that, guys. The mics are just crap this week. Now you can make your arguments.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Tackett is currently in Wayne County Jail. He's got a $20,000 10% bond here. He got him in from the Third Circuit. With Van Houten as the judge on the COP. We anticipate that we will be able to resolve all these matters either by prevailing here or resolving the Third Circuit. He resides at the same address and he's got the same phone number. His parents live there. He was gainfully employed and is clearly arrested on this. If he's out, he could resume his gainful employment. Obviously, that would help him satisfy conditions of probation as well. We just leave it for this judge. We asked for a personal bond, maybe 50,000. We have the tether conditions, all of that. Even house arrest outside of work. And 10,000%. Anything that would give Mr. Tackett an opportunity to get out.
Thank you. On behalf of the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stephen Kaplan on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I've had a chance to review his criminal history, and it's not substantial in terms of the gravity of the case. It's the number of cases which might be concerning. He gained the benefit of youthful training status long ago, and he's continuing to commit crimes, mainly misdemeanors like assault and battery, Judge. Our case is concerning because it's a fleeing and eluding. Your Honor, have been a judge for many, many years, knows that can be a dangerous crime. So we would leave the issue to some discussion.
Mr. Tackett, where were you working before you were incarcerated?
I was working for Chrysler. So it was the Stellantis.
How long had you been there?
A year and a half.
All right. All right, I'm going to leave all the bond conditions as is. I'm going to change the $20,000, 10% to $20,000 personal. That means you're giving me a $20,000 IOU. If you screw up on bond, you're going back to jail. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $20,000 if you screw up?
Yes, sir.
So stay out of trouble, show up for court. You're not going to be released without a GPS tether for location. That'll be house arrest, basically.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any clarification necessary?
As long as you can leave, the hospital or your.
That's what I have in mind. Okay. All right. Good luck, sir.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Clark.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Switch to Clark.
Mr. Tackett, if you could tell the deputy we're ready for Mr. Clark, please. Thank you.
Okay.
All of this Reagan's.
That would be helpful. Thank you. Joe, I got two plea agreements. I have no idea if they're attorney or not. No name. McKinney.
McKinney is on Zoom and the attorney's on.
Who's the attorney for McKinney?
They're in a breakout. Forget it.
How about Evanoff? Evanoff? Counsel, your appearance?
Was on the court for understanding, some point that to bring on a witness who's present to my right, please state your name for the record. Yeah, that's what I love. Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to meet speak with this matter. My client attempted to try and obtain a psychiatric evaluation as per the court order that was entered by Judge Martin on this matter. My client was unable to do so without a copy of the court order. So prosecutor and I had agreed to adjourn this to one final pretrial conference in order to allow my client to comply with the judge.
Okay, so this isn't final pretrial where a complainant needs to show up. It's just, okay. How much time you want? Any Tuesday works for us.
You said any Tuesday?
Yep.
How about the evening spotters?
Yep.
Judge Patton. They'll be on Zoom.
With what, Judge?
Judge Patton. We'll get you notice in just a minute.
Have a great day, though.
You as well.
Randy.
Thank you.
Okay, looks like McKinney is out with his attorney.
Are we ready on McKinney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, I understand we're just going to adjourn this for 2 weeks.
Yes, there was some video discovery that was just tendered, and I proposed a resolution to Mr. Muhammad that he's considered.
Go ahead and put your appearance on.
May it please the court, Your Honor, my name is Adam Clements. My P number is 77233. I appear on behalf of Mr. McKinney, who's also present, Judge.
Counsel, how about August 11th at 10:30 by Zoom?
Make it work, Judge. That's fine.
Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. McKinney, you owe us money on some other files. You know about that?
No, I do not. I just know that.
All right, I got a 2022 speeding ticket from Romulus. 2022 Romulus impeding traffic, 2022 Romulus improper passing, 22 Romulus stop sign, and 22 Romulus DWLS. Oh, the DWLS is coming up for a court date on September 11. So the first 4 civil infractions total $1,048. Are you working?
No, I can't work. I can't work.
When's the last time you worked?
It's been a while.
Tells me nothing.
It's been quite a while since I worked. I got shot a couple years ago. I haven't been able to work since
So it's
then.
been 3 years or more?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You're a local guy. I've got John Harrison.
Yes.
Appear at the court this week. Make arrangements to close these out. We got options that don't take money, but we got to have you step up to the plate and take care of them.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, counsel.
You. All right. Thank you, Adam.
Have a good day, Mr. McKinney.
You too.
Somebody called you, sorry, this morning? You see her comment?
Yeah.
So Leanne, what's it mean if they call me ma'am? Let's see what she says to that. Thank you. Judge did get a haircut yesterday. Thanks for noticing.
Switch this over something. What's the other ones?
Actually, we have started getting eggs, Jody.
Okay, it's 10,000, 10%. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll send it down. Effort is in the form, you will clarify.
Mhm.
And then saying,
Zane?
that Attorney Hill is in with Mohammed. They're definitely put him in client. When I understand it's very difficult, it's different. Quiet.
Who's that?
Then, and then I'm gonna forward some emails.
You know why I adjourned this? Was this the one with a kid? She got upset when I told her I had to have an order. Is this the same one?
No, that girl sent in her orders.
Well, that's right.
The client that don't.
Oh, I adjourned this because Mohammed wanted time to look into it.
Yes, and now he has no problem with it, so they just need to bring the girl in. I'm gonna send you emails on this person right here. I think she's a sovereign. She refuses to come in person, and I'm gonna send you the emails that we've been getting.
So is she
We
trying to
emailed
get,
late yesterday and wanted.
get in Zoom?
late yesterday, she wanted Zoom.
Yeah, she hasn't tried to get in.
She has not,
Okay.
but, she emailed for Zoom. I did not answer it. You weren't here and it was late in the
Yeah.
day. And so then she emailed again today and was rambling.
Okay.
So I'm gonna send it.
That's fine. Hey, is there an Asia McKay out there? Call the name. If there is, send her in. Are you Miss McKay? Come on up. You filed all your paperwork to get some stuff set aside? Did you bring an order?
Did I bring an order like to set aside itself?
Yeah, an order for me to sign. Do you have the order that I need to sign? Because I don't draft orders.
I put it in the court a month ago, and I gave it to the court, yes.
Was the order part of what you filed?
Yes. It's like the application for the set aside.
The application isn't the order.
That's what they told me to go online.
I know. I just had this problem a month ago with another young lady. All right, so the good news is the prosecutor's not objecting to what you want. The bad news is it can't happen until I sign an order.
How do I get an order from someone else?
It's a form you got to fill out, just like the form you fill out to start this. It's a form you fill out and you fill it all out and then I sign it and date it. All right? No, I mean, I'm here, so it's no big deal for me. Just means you got to come back again. Or you can email it to us.
Attorney, I'm doing this.
No, please, so.
Okay, well, then you need to research. Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to help you out with an email address so you don't have to come back.
Yeah, if you just the downstairs contact us, she can email it to them.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna set up a spot outside the court and charge money back to orders. How are we doing today? I'm doing well, much better than I deserve. You got a warrant? Sure. Hmm? Okay. July 20, yeah. After the 5. Yep, I got you. Mm-hmm. Right. Right. No, I'm satisfied with that. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Yeah. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that the information contained in the affidavit is true, but your information, knowledge, and belief. All right, I'm on the bench today, so when I get a break, I'll take care of it. All right, yeah, be safe.
I got a lot of highs, but we haven't done any work.
Oh, Joe, no, I can't say anything. It's just one of the comments I'm reading. I can't say anything.
Uh-oh, is it bad?
It's bad for you.
Okay, Judge. I read it.
I just can't say anything.
Oh, I agree. I agree 100%.
I mean, it's not a flow, but Danielle did a nice job. Are you out there causing trouble? What are you doing?
I'm scared. See if I would follow attorneys, but. And yes, no, no, that. A whole lot of people do. We go on.
I guess we just need a day.
Yeah.
This need not be said.
Correct. So what is MBS? Yeah. Oh, I thought he was just. Because he doesn't use your guys' address, so I would not.
He joined us officially as of beginning of June, I think.
Okay.
Not wrong.
Ours are, yeah. Oh, I don't need to.
What day do you want? Any Tuesday, except next week.
Let me grab my calendar so I can tell you when
Start tunes too, because I know that he needs to get right, so that he can see.
His mom drove here today.
Okay, yeah, so. Mr. Hill, I'm gonna put you in with your client. Yeah, Leslie. Uh-huh. So most of those people are kind of my picture.
I didn't get Josh's stat.
Josh. These are. I already went out there. We have a ton of people.
Yeah.
Um. Give some reach. It's tough. I'll take this to them. Also, consorts of it. It's so slow. But the problem is, even though they go slow, I still stack up, even though I should be doing stuff, because then I get, I have to do Zoom and
Mom needs an assistant.
what?
Court mom needs an assistant.
Talking to Joe. But see, this is slow, I get stacked because then I have this to do and that to do.
So one of our guys is catching crappie and watching live stream. Enough he's going home to clean them. I haven't had crappie in so long.
Mr. Hill, are you ready with your client?
We are.
Counsel, let me have your appearance for Ms. Zhang.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Ms. Sang.
And what are we doing?
Judge, I believe this is an arraignment. We'll read formal reading, stand mute. I'd ask the court to enter a not guilty plea. I would also ask Judge to set this for a new date so I can talk to the prosecutor. I will address bond, and I would ask for a Mandarin interpreter. I think for today's purposes for arraignment, my client understands what's going on, but I would make that request.
All right. Well, if we're going to talk bond, I got to get a prosecutor in here.
Okay, no problem.
No, because, well, yeah, that it'll probably work now. Try it. Because there's nobody in the courtroom talking. Counsel, pretrial date, 1 week out, 2 weeks out. What are you thinking?
2 weeks if you could, please.
We can.
August 11th at 10:30.
Who's that with?
Judge Mark.
August 11th, 10:30 with Judge Martin on Zoom.
Thank you.
August the 11th.
No, Ms. Zhang, no, don't say anything
Mr.
yet,
Mohammed,
okay?
are you there?
Okay.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. I'm sorry, I was speaking to counsel.
No problem. Counsel wants to make an argument on bond for Ms. Zhang. She's been arraigned today. The bond recommendation from the department has no objections to a personal bond, and let me confirm, I don't think they had any requests for special conditions. No request for special conditions.
I'm sorry, Judge, could I have 2 minutes to review the file?
Sure.
Thank you.
He has a way of sending her a notice of will here. Because the address that we're using is an Airbnb
Ah,
and she lives in China.
the Berkeley address is Airbnb. All right. Counsel, Heather's informed me that the Berkeley Avenue address we have for Ms. Zhang is an Airbnb. Does that work if we mail her a notice?
No, it'd have to be sent to my office if the court would allow that. She's back in China
No
and
problem.
her visa's been revoked as well, Judge. So that's the issue we have.
Yeah, no problem. We'll mail it to you.
Okay.
August 11th, 8:45 when we figured it out. You know, section on at 8:45 now.
All right, counsel, we've changed the time, August 11, 8:45.
No problem.
Mr. Kaplan, are you here to talk about bond for Zhang?
Yes, Your Honor.
So she's actually back in China. Counsel, Mr. Hill has informed me that her visa has been revoked. Do you have any objection to a personal bond?
No, Your Honor. Not on
All
the.
right, we've got her scheduled for another pretrial on August 11 at 8:45 in the AM with Judge Martin.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Will you make a note about the translator?
Yep, got it.
All right, counsel, I'll just set her on $1,000 personal bond and we'll have a Mandarin translator here next time around.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right. Have a good day.
Take care.
What do you got?
Randy Stevens, Your Honor.
Toombs, T-O-O?
I have it right here, Judge. He was supposed to come in with his calendar.
It's August 11th.
I don't know. Okay.
August 11th, I have 10 AM.
Sounds great.
All right, I will get Mr. Toombs a notice, and this is gonna be Mr. Lamb that handles it, or is it? All right, I will get Mr. Toombs a notice if he can get out.
I'm just gonna keep him saying out.
He was saying, Heather, yeah.
Do you have another one, or?
One that you actually, that's it.
Okay, yep, so we're good. Mr. Riggins will be on Mr. I will bring.
Thanks, Jim. All right, so remember, this is this. We went to the graphic outside, it's just fine.
On which file, counsel? Mr. Clark?
Yes.
You're right, Mr. Clark. We're just waiting till we get all the attorneys in the room.
Okay.
Mr. Mohammed. Yeah, we gotta have him in person though. Council, what are we gonna do today?
Mr. Lucky's anyways.
Oh, it is? Oh, great. All right. We've currently got an exam scheduled next week. Does that work for you? On the 4th at 1 p.m.? All right, so let's just leave the exam as is and talk about bond. Mr. Lucky, this is your file? All right, so currently bond is 100,000, 10%, no contact, no release without GPS tether. We agreed? That's what the ROA says? All right, go ahead.
Yeah.
Hold on, did you put your appearance on? Did I get that? Go ahead.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. I need to give defense services by Ken Reagan, P82125. I don't have this Kevin Parks will appear via Zoom.
You can hear us all right, Mr. Reagan?
I
Mr.
can't
Clark,
really
you can hear
hear
us all?
No, not that good.
Okay, so far all I've got is the attorney's names on the record.
Okay.
And the fact that your exam is going to be next Tuesday at 1 p.m. You got that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm having a lot of trouble with my courtroom audio this week, so I'll try to translate. If you can't hear, I'll let you know what we're saying.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry. Go ahead, Mr. Riggins.
Yeah. The top charge in this case is a computer felony. It is a two-solid resisting obstructing. I haven't done the guidelines. I imagine the guidelines would be very well, possibly probational. He is a half for, I will not that deep. There is a firearm that's got busted on in 2025. He's already served time on that. Other than that, you know, this is not a case where I can see how a $100,000 bond is built. I do know there are allegations of former girlfriend, but I know this charge never came for it because she said that didn't happen. He did never have a gun. He never held her cat. You know, based off of what I see, my client was. This was the argument that that came out of hand, and next thing you know, there was a bunch of SWAT cars at this house. Client became scared, did not want to come out of the house because there was a gun pointed at them. But nevertheless, yeah, my client does not have to play for fear history. My client has family and community time. He was working prior to this. He was working for a bottle manufacturer. Unfortunately, he does not remember the name of the bottle manufacturer. He intends to get out and go back to work as soon as he gets out. You know, there's a health provision. My client has no reason to be the ex-girlfriend. He's just asking that he can give him a personal bond where he can go stay with his family and appear in court and fight the state.
Mr. Lucky.
Given the original argument, and this argument in front of it, Mark, you said the original bond. At that time, we laid out the fact that he was a threat to police presence that was there. He stated on so they did fact that I'll shoot any face that comes in here, threatening lives of officers to the point where they had to call the SWAT. And so 2 hours later, SWAT took the scene. Another hour and a half after that, negotiation, the complaining, one of the complaints, the penal complaining witness, the incident partner, came out after that time, and then after a month of time later, the defendant came out. Now, this caused the rowing split of the police department and Western Maine County SWAT total of about 6 hours. 6+ hours in order to effectuate his coming out. He did threaten to shoot officers, and there's camera footage that the news picked up of him almost like grappling with SWAT as if being taken out of the building, wrapping his legs around one of their heads, pulling him down. He came to anger police to community listen police officers. We also do believe something when this was raised before. I mean, I've been unable to contact her from this police telling him to contact her is a very fearful situation that we are all in. So therefore, Your Honor, because of the Atlantic machine, circumstances of the Atlantic machine, facts that we have on the record, I think a bond is appropriate.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fixing a couple points. He said something about they checked the house. There were no weapons. There were no guns. The girlfriend said there were no weapons. And this isn't where she was with him and looking at him and said, oh, I better say the right thing. They had her in a car with the police, talking to the police freely. She said, nope, he never told me I could not leave. Nope, he never had a weapon. So I understand that there may have been some talk back and forth with police. He may have said that. He never had a weapon. He never threatened her. She came out and said, she's not here because I looked at the body cam footage. It is very clear she did not want to move forward with the case. So much so, she thought they were crushing her. She told them, I need to talk to my own attorney. So I think it's a little disingenuous to say that she feels threatened when she was really annoyed. But nevertheless, Your Honor, again, the top charge here is a 2-year felony. I don't think that it's appropriate to have a $100,000 bond based off a 2-year felony. Again, this man is working. He wants to, I mean, he has a story he wants to tell.
Anything else?
So, you know, I did read the part of the transcription of the hostage accuser as well as that body camera search. She does say that he physically kept her in the room, physically locked her in, was pushing her inside the room, held up a sign that said help. Was the police officers came in recovery. And she was at one point the negotiator does, you know, after the 3.5 hour mark, she does refuse to come out saying he's the one. But she does say during those 3.5 hours that she was kept in the room, forced there, felt afraid to come out, and eventually had to sneak out and live to the bathroom or another. So I don't think it's disingenuous at all, but I'll leave it. And again, there's no facts here that are into what the bond was set at, so I think the bond is appropriate here.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. No doubt, 100,000, 10% is a pretty high bond on this, but we usually don't have SWAT involved on these types of cases either. I'm gonna leave the bond as is. It's only 1 week. Thank you, gentlemen. Are we done or we got somebody else, Joe?
And this is for Tuesday?
Mr. Clark, yeah, I'm leaving your bond as is. Your court date, next court date is next Tuesday at 1 p.m. When you talk to the deputy, would you tell them we're ready for Mr. Slade, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Brigham.
Asked not to get on in custody and play at 9:30, please.
Oh.
Trays and stuff, okay, here. BBC ready to work.
Lieutenant Smith, please. Good. So that number you've got is now my wife's cell number. Yeah, that was my home number 4 years ago. So that's all right. That's all right. Did this one just come up on your phone? All right. Yeah, this is my cell. So what do you got? Oh, shit. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Shouldn't be a problem. As long as, do you know if he's got his own attorney? All right, so as soon as that's going to be our problem. So as soon as you have an idea when you're going to have the paperwork to us, who should they call about an after hours arrangement downstairs? Marlisa. Contact Marlisa and let her know, and she can start trying to find us an attorney because if it's going to be after 11, we got to have an attorney lined up. Yeah. Okay. So just give us a heads up as soon as you have an idea when the paperwork's gonna be ready. All right, all right, okay, bye-bye. They got a CSC in custody that Patricia's got the paperwork right now, but they don't think it's gonna happen in the county next hour or so. So we're gonna promise to just kind of,
Yes, Marley, so she heard you. She's.
oh, Marlise, are you there?
Yes.
So I just talked to Huron Township. They've got an in custody felony arraignment that they want to do because the guy's got a bunch of medical issues. They want to get him out of their holding. So Patricia Mandernack has the paperwork. They're sure it's coming today, but they're not going to get it in the next hour. So can you kind of just float the idea with MIDC? Can we get somebody available this afternoon if we need them?
I'll contact Mr. Starr and see if he'll be available, and then if not, then I'll contact the MI regional.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Log into Zoom, right?
If you can, we're gonna have a in custody Wayne County. Well, he's not on yet. I mean, as long as he's. We will, yes, yes.
And I want to do that slate so we get kid.
Um, Josh? John?
Yep.
With county, so you can do what you're doing until you see that county put him in a chair.
Okay.
He'll just keep busy watching to see them. Sure.
Didn't you just tell me to watch the chair for that one?
That's why I wanted you in the breakout room. Yeah, to watch the chair. So you just keep working and doing what you're doing until they put somebody in there.
Oh, okay. I was just in that one by myself. I think I didn't wait long enough. Okay.
He's in there now. Or they are. Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Starr?
Hey, you guys just called me?
Yeah, I was just typing you out an email. Would you be available this afternoon for a late arraignment?
What time?
We don't know. We're waiting on the department to get the paperwork back from the prosecutor's office.
Uh, I could try. It'll be a Zoom, right?
Yes, it would be Zoom.
Yeah, I have an exam at noon.
Here?
No, in Washington County, a preliminary exam at noon.
Okay, what I'll do is when I get the paperwork and everything ready, I'll send it to you. And if you're not available, just reply you're not available.
Okay,
I'll
sounds
have to
good.
find somebody else. Okay,
Okay, oh, I'll try my best to be available.
thank you.
Okay, thank you. I can log off again or no?
Yes, you can log off. I don't have
Okay.
anything at this. Well, I don't have anything at this time unless no, it does. We're good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you very much. Yeah. All right. You took one. Yes, no, she understood. Yeah. But he has the judge in the 2 p.m. appointment, so we'll be on. So we'll have to mess with the other judges because we just don't know when the paperwork's coming. I don't. Oh, he has medical issues. Yeah, so I mean, we can't do anything until we get paperwork anyways to figure it out. Well, I doubt we'll be waiting that long. All right. Okay. So. That's a big, I don't know how I have them. It was nothing. I. He.
The name, I'm like, it looks really familiar. Can you hear me, Heather?
Yep, I can.
Okay, so Mr. Ryan Slay, I just talked to the deputy. Mr. Slay is not in custody. He is supposed to physically be at the Wayne County Circuit Court right now. But they said that they have something down with their system and they can't verify if he showed up for court, but they don't physically have him.
Fine, hang on with them.
I'm sorry? Man, it's weird. It's breaking. The audio is breaking up really bad. I got some kind of like line that's bouncing through the screen too. It's weird. Like on the main.
Yep, I see that.
I can hear you fine now. It was breaking up a second ago though. That was weird. Okay. So did you catch that part though that they said they don't have him?
Yep, I'll just reschedule.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to kick them, or did they already leave?
I think he may have logged out entirely.
That's fine. Thank you.
You betcha.
Did you guys do a chances for Brady referral to? I don't remember. I think the thing is just Oakley. He might be judge of record. Remember how back in the day people would do judges and because don't forget he's got 2 cases. Just okay, and this is the final law. They say he's not going to be competent. Why are you? They just gotten the first one. Because whenever they only do it for 90 days, and then it's on the prosecutor to do a civil commitment. we dismiss our case and they have to take our road.
So this part of the district is.
The prosecutor has to do the thing on it. We can't dismiss, that's still the prosecutor.
Okay, so we.
Nothing?
All right, so we have to get that.
Yeah.
It was a cluster, fix that.
I thought it was.
Well, it was confusing how to get that, yeah, it was written.
I don't really write it that way, not that I'm gone, but.
No,
Or
but it,
we-
it wasn't, I see why Mackenzie did what she did, because she didn't know better. You know, what I mean? She just didn't understand.
No, you were opening your mouth and involved, that's fine.
Did you get this report on Mr. Gregory?
Was
The
it
newest
emailed?
one? We just got, they said they mailed it to you.
Yeah, so it's probably in their prosecutor mail room.
Okay.
They don't give you stuff. Judge, here's one.
Can I get a copy of it?
Exactly.
You guys can come up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, mine, I gotta make a hotel reservation Monday. I can't make it till Monday.
Okay.
Is it Reed, the name? Counsel, your parents.
Good morning, my name is Sal, with the service, I didn't bring it, 125, I'm happy to sell it, we can take your record.
Yeah, Father Week.
Thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
They think for PCC, I don't understand that there was a PCC. Obviously, we know that these are extraordinary circumstances, there are certain things going on with my office. I have a chance to go over everything, I know.
Okay.
My file that said that there was digital discovery. I have not seen digital discovery. Mr. Connie sent a copy over today, which I was reviewed by Ms. Reed. It was also an offer in my file.
Yeah. You had me at hello. Lot to digest. 2-week adjournment.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. Miss Reed, we're gonna get you notice on that, but let's talk money. Says here you owe us money on an impeding traffic from 2022. Did you know that? All right. Can you make some arrangements on it? Can you do something before you leave? Okay.
You're staying on this case, or is Mr. Land staying?
Mr. Lamb on, but if he's not here, we know in a week, I will probably be back.
Okay, it's gonna be 2 weeks, it's August 11th. I have 10:45 and it'll be by Zoom.
Just 45, fine.
Be with Judge Martin, and I will hand you a notice with, the Zoom information.
Yeah. I'll take your copy of them.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, they have one for them. The color is fire, it's very. Very good.
Here you go.
No, I just.
Zoom information, you guys are all set.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
So it'll get wrong.
Yeah.
What's this gentleman waiting for?
He's with that lesson. I shouldn't say what, maybe.
I got you. What's your name? I'm gonna pull your file. I got you. Horf, that's unusual. Is that a family name?
My file. Amazingly, you're clearly.
You just hold it, keep it complete. Judge Wilman. Without even on the back.
Who do you want me to scratch while I'm here?
Fuller.
Fuller, F-U-L? Go.
Yeah. And Miss McKay was able to go get the order.
How?
She went next door, probably printed it.
Went to the library. Good for her.
What's the name on this? Oh, I see it now. Oh.
Well, I've got two ready to go. Fuller, who we're waiting for the attorney, and Dickerson, we're waiting for the attorney. So if you want to start dispoing on Fuller.
That's that one for 11.
Yeah. You gotta love Kaplan giving you all the MCLs.
Yes.
Is that use of coke?
Ecstasy.
Mr. Fuller? Oh, damn it. Why are you in here? I don't have paperwork for you. Are you on Morgan? Okay. Okay. Who you got?
December 11/15 off Toddy.
Thanks. So they're gonna add account? Is that what they're doing? All right, and you have authority to do that?
Yes, sir.
Your appearance?
Good morning, that was short, 167 on behalf of the defendant to stand on Toddy, and then I full authority to enter into the agreement. Or, excuse me, responsible to add account to a repeating traffic count will be dismissed.
All right, I'll accept the plea on his behalf. Fines the cost $290. How much time do you to get his money in? $14th, plenty of time. All right, you're all set. Have a great day. Oh, counsel. He's got a bond posted. Don't worry about it.
With the bond 290?
Yep. You're all in. Thanks. So that's full. What was your name again? I want to pull your file. Morgan.
The traffic stuff that I'll try to take care of today. We can do that all at one time, so we can come back up. Do you mind?
Nope, let me see what you got. Can you pass Morgan? Yeah, we got a speeding ticket and a traffic control device, total 545.
So I tried to call the board a few times.
Yeah.
I was just wondering if I could anyway talk to the prosecutor to see if I could take in a meeting on one of them and then the less than 5 I'll just pay.
Probably not, because they're old.
Well, just, yeah, they're honest. That was the issue with my laptop. I have your own relations and I was on a state work. Every time I call, try to speak to someone, they say, oh, you still have anything. And then, you know, it turns out I do have stuff and I do have that stuff, but it was just,
All
they
right.
kept telling me to come to before.
Let's see what the computer tells us. All right, the Sumter one is from 2024. That one's way too old. What can you do on the $294 for Sumter?
Playing with the, board.
Oh, you got a payment due August 10th. All right.
Yeah.
set aside the default on that one. And just set it for a formal hearing. So what we'll do is we'll set aside the default, set it for a formal hearing. That way you can come in, there'll be a prosecutor, you can talk to the prosecutor. No promises what the prosecutor will do, but it gives you a chance.
My father, right there.
Yep.
Thank you.
And we'll get you notice for that formal hearing before you get out of here.
Because I have to call one of the courtrooms and figure
Oh,
out days.
so we'll just mail it to him?
Yeah.
All right, we'll mail you a notice on that one. Counsel, you got anything ready?
Okay, so it's ready, I can.
Pick one. All right, well, I got Mr. Morgan's file on my podium, so come on up, Mr. Morgan.
Do you want to sit before you there on the prosecution?
That's fine. I don't care. Appearances.
Morning, Your Honor. Yeah, 34696, hearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. David Moore.
Jury. May date? We need a date for jury trial, correct?
That's correct.
All right, let's see what Heather can find.
Is August 31st too soon?
Yes, I work on a state, so some people that, I'm sorry, Heather, the victim on this case is on Zoom. You bring the minutes from that day, it works with him as well.
Well, no, it doesn't work for me, Your Honor.
Okay, well, we're looking for another one. Mr. Nemeth, can you activate your mic?
October 1st.
What's the charge? Oh, stuff that's stupid. Yeah, let's try it. Mr. Nemeth.
Judge, advocate form.
Thank you. What's it? You got October 1?
The October 1st?
Counselors, are you available October 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have to make it work.
Okay, so we'll confirm with Mr. Nemeth.
Red.
All right, Mr. Morgan, just have a seat for a minute. Mr. Dickerson, come on up. Counsel your appearance for Mr. Dickerson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Mohammed.
Morning, Your Honor. Leslie Knapp, 34696, hearing on behalf of the defendant, Mike Dickerson.
All right, I've got a plea agreement that says Mr. Dickerson's going to plead no contest to both count 1 and count 2, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Count 3 will be dismissed. Both please should be disallowed. Taken under 771.1 and we further elevate sentence. Probation, which that's about the evaluation and treatment if recommended, and no contact with the complainant.
All right, Mr. Dickerson, do you understand your rights and the options those rights present to you today? Do you understand the possible penalty for assault and battery? Understanding that, are you pleading no contest? Do you understand that no contest? You're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting those charges. If I find a factual basis that supports the plea, from that point forward, it's going to be just like there was a guilty plea, there'll be a sentencing. Do you understand that? Guilty and not guilty and no contest meet at the same place. We're heading towards sentencing. Do you understand that? All right, I'm trying to explain something to me and you're talking to her. How's that going to work?
We do have a second complainant that I believe is on Zoom. It just occurred to me. Hussein, wait, Hussein. No, okay, yeah, I have.
We do have Mr. Nicely, he's one of the victims here in Portland today.
Okay, which is great information, but doesn't help me take the plea. Do you understand that no contest and guilty both lead to a sentencing?
Let me say this.
No, answer my damn question. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay, counsel, you can talk to him when I'm done with the next one. We're not doing this while I've got other things to do. He told me he doesn't understand, so obviously it needs some massaging. Did we get the victim on? Nemeth, are you there?
The victim advocate advised me that he did not answer the phone call, so we're prepared to proceed without.
All right, so Nemeth or Morgan is going to be October 1 at 8:30. We'll get paper notices to that effect.
Let's do it more. Wait right here. I need to pay.
I need attorneys. There is no afternoon docket this afternoon, Leanne, just that possible arraignment that's coming in. Which probably won't be me. Back on the record with Dickerson?
Guilty.
Okay.
Have a jury trial.
Okay.
Is September 17th.
Don't go with October 1st. I know. The vote on.
What was the date?
It's September 17th.
Well, we better check with Mohammed.
Finish back. Mark Mazaki, I'm sure I can do it. Yes.
Mohammed is.
I don't know.
Yeah, they're bringing.
We're checking.
Sorry.
No problem. That's why they pay me the big bucks. What's up, Joe?
Please I'll make his live stream video.
Smile for the camera. It's the other Joe.
Good job.
No, two Joes is very confusing. That's one thing.
I'm the good Joe.
Mr. Mohammed, on the Michael Dickerson file, jury trial, September 17th.
Judge, is it possible to set it in October by chance?
Over, you want to see the night?
That works.
Yeah, fine.
All right, October 29, 8:30 in the morning, bond is continued. Have a lovely day. Mr. Dickerson, have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Does anybody need help? You might want to double check. Maybe.
Okay.
Sure.
Have a seat.
You're good.
Josh? Oh, no. So
He was doing, our.
Oh, he was. Okay. Are you good on those?
We'll see.
All right.
Was it Fuller?
I think that's.
Who's on? Not two.
I'm gonna go.
Mr. Riggins, what do you got? Hopkins?
Oh, here's Leslie. I don't know where he's at.
I'm not finding the files.
Yeah. No, Hopkins is next door.
Oh, okay.
Sliders
Uh-huh.
is it's custody, but as a violation of probationary month at its day done, so probably hasn't happened.
Right, Josh, I go in and tell me, some system went down, they couldn't find him, they know that he had something at third circuit though, so. Yes. Yes, when you, would the times.
What is Joshua saying?
I did one for the big. Is that good? I mean, should we ask Josh since he's in custody? I mean, is he in custody and us?
But he's in there for probation violations.
Yeah, personal, okay. So 818, is it a final or just a regular?
Regular, I really haven't seen him yet.
Oh, so then I will let Josh know that we'll briefly schedule that for Josh.
Do you remember Tim Ritz?
Yes.
Choked on a bag of Doritos in a group home and died.
You're lying.
No, Al just said he was at a graduation party this weekend with some of the Brooks family. I mean, you talk about a way to go.
Yeah.
At least he went eating something nice, I mean, compared
Well,
to
I
his
hope
life.
so. I hope you like Doritos.
Oh my God. He probably was some cute, it's like- Wow, that's sad.
Yeah, it is. Joe, did you know him?
Oh, yeah. I know.
Huh.
Anything saying on
Well, those look.
Facebook?
Yeah.
No, I mean, is he even here?
I don't.
Oh, I don't
I
know.
always thought that.
So
I think it was.
It's not the CPS.
I'm sorry?
It's not CPS.
They gave him coffee. Oh my husband.
We said it was the.
He just wants to.
Very good, so.
Cool. Sounds good. Thank you, Jake.
When my football, like the kudos and flag, he walked on,
But you know what?
and he could just walk around.
He had moments of lucidity. Because every once in a while I walk, run into him town, you know, like walking.
Yeah, I'm down at the Mount Hall's chasing.
Now, I mean, sometimes he just, he was in his own little world. Sometimes they see him, and we'd actually have a conversation.
Keep that personal.
Like, how are you, Judge?
Is the put your name or just change them to MISB? Do you know what I mean? I mean, I already have you that day at 9:30.
I guess it was go to MIT.
That's why.
So just see the MIDC.
I mean, I'm fine taking it, but they may say,
They bring him in this,
yeah.
if he's on his meds, he's okay.
They look like
potions and then he's.
Yep, I'll just put his
And
MIDC,
then-
but
We're all set to go here too, if you guys are.
who is that?
It's Paul. Last name, sorry. Randall, thank you. Come on, Randall. That's how you missing out. I realize that will be sold now. Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Josh Hadley, appearing on behalf and with my client, Mr. Randall. Please state your claim to the record, sir.
Ronzie Dixon Randall.
Thank you.
From where
You say that fast like it's one name. Ronzie Dixon. Go ahead.
We're good, Your Honor. I believe there was any warrants to recall.
Nope.
We're essentially waiving the arraignment.
Easy peasy. Yeah, you're gonna plead.
Gonna be just
Yep.
open and toxic, and he's gonna be pleading responsible for careless driving. Just need to get
Yeah.
that down, so.
That's the way you want to do it? All right, misdemeanor is dismissed. Fines and costs, $195. Go downstairs and pay it or make arrangements to get it paid. You're welcome so much.
That's Mr. Rozzy Dixon Manuel.
So I think the last 3 or 4 will all come at the same time. I just need my.
We're here. We're here.
All Boone as a.
Boone?
Yes.
I got a victim online, I think. Oh, I saw somebody here. Oh, Miss Hyman. Hyman? I don't know how you say it. Charlotta,
Yes, Hyman.
good
Yes.
morning. Go ahead and activate your camera.
Good morning.
Mr. Lecky, your parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Leckie, doesn't have the people.
All right, we've got a file here set for a pretrial, I think, right? Okay, Mr. Boone was scheduled to be here at 9:30 this morning for a pretrial. It's now 10:56. He has not appeared, so we're gonna issue a show cause for him. You understand that, ma'am? Miss Hyman, you understand that?
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
sort of.
Oh, we can explain it, after, but Your Honor, I just want to, make a record that Quentin Wentz has been here since 9:30, probably earlier. And has indicated that there are possible no contacts occurring, so we'll take that up with meeting after. Oh, and I do ask that she be excused if appropriate, the next pretrial will go.
All right, so I'm making a note in the file that the defendant failed to appear today, but the complainant was on Zoom and she has no contact complaints. So ma'am, the next court date will be, well, let's put it this way. The next court date, he'll probably be arraigned on the bench warrant, but you will not have to appear until there's a trial date, if there's a trial date. Understood?
We'll talk. about that.
Yes, he did try to attempt to contact me.
Yeah, we'll talk about that, okay? But we can't talk about
We gotta
that.
talk loud into the mic.
So, we'll talk about that, we can't talk. So, we'll go into this, we'll talk about you, okay?
So it goes back on, that's all.
You have any questions, ma'am?
You said that something about his contact far as me. Were you
Yeah.
saying that he did try to attempt contact with me?
No,
'Cause I
no, the
did,
prosecutor
report that.
told me that there are some allegations that he may have tried to contact you. So the prosecutor will be talking to you about that at some later date. At this point, we're gonna send him a show cause, tell him he's got to show up here if he wants to avoid a bench warrant. Understood?
Okay, because I had proof on my phone and I sent
Okay,
it
the
to
prosecutor
Rick.
will talk to you about that. That today's not the date to talk about that.
Okay,
All right?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You too.
Have a lovely afternoon. All right, now I'm ready on none.
You as well.
You have my client, spray and none, for today's show dogs on an old matter. It's done, they state your name on now. They state your name correct.
Debris and none.
So, Your Honor, Ms. Nunn, essentially was unaware of this matter, still pending. I do see the court records indicate she had paid off the civil infraction that occurred at the same time as this traffic stop. We've seen those before where, nobody realizes they paid half of that to take care of the, So once she realized that this is still outstanding, she killed herself, came to court. Accordingly, she does have valid insurance in the vehicle that she drives now. So looking back at this 2020 case, the people are going to dismiss the misdemeanor charge of no insurance. And we're going to tender a responsible plea to civil infraction of failure to have insurance on person.
All right. Ms. Nunn, is that the way you want to resolve this today? I will accept your plea to the civil infraction. I will assess fines a cost of $180 and I will dismiss the misdemeanor. Can you pay the $180 today?
Yeah, how much
So she's with
Congratulations. Good luck. Go downstairs and make arrangements, talk about your options.
It's just, you want to set something, not fall behind, because then they'll drag it. So just be realistic with, set it up. When we can pay off, pay off.
Yeah.
Just, Yeah.
Yeah, and this one we can actually suspend your license if you don't pay it. So just keep on your payments. And if you're having trouble making your payments, don't just hope we're gonna forget about you because the computer won't forget. Come on in and talk again. You're welcome, man.
It's much, the other valve.
What are you here for? Al Sharif? What time is it scheduled?
11.
Oh, you just got here a little early. Okay. No, that's fine.
Judge, Heather,
Yes.
I received an email from Huron.
Yes.
Telling me about the arraignment and
Yes.
the prosecutor's not gonna prove anything till after the meeting with Kids Talk, which is scheduled at 12:30 today.
So we'll do it in the morning.
So, okay, I'll see what time it comes through and then we can go from there.
Yeah, I mean, 'cause if that's the case, I can't see them getting paperwork to you much before 3 or 3:30.
Yeah,
I mean-
it says she'll approve the warrant after the Kids Talk, which is scheduled at 12:30 today.
We'll do what we can. I mean, if we get paperwork and we can find an attorney, we'll do it.
All right, that's what I'll reply
I
to
already
her.
talked to Judge Patton because I got a dentist appointment this afternoon.
It's the day of the dentist. I have one too.
Yeah.
Thanks.
They're talking about me swearing again. I don't remember swearing today.
Oh, yeah, you did tell somebody just put their ass down or do something like random. It wasn't. I'm still in there. I'm just full over. It's probably out there with.
What am I doing with this?
That's, I have not disclosed it.
Oh,
because I only have some.
yeah. When was the last docket slot?
10:45. Well, 11:50.
You got somebody?
11:30.
Yeah.
Who?
Peterson Brothers.
Counsel, your parents.
Kyle Hudson on behalf of the defendant, Peterson Brothers Company.
All right, and on behalf of the company, do you have authority to enter a plea? Are you entering that plea to the misload issued May 18, 26? That plea is responsible?
Yes, sir.
Fines it costs $450. Pay that today? Wonderful. Anything else? Good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How many guys we got there?
How you doing? Alrighty, what are you in here for?
What's going on? I will in 2 seconds. I will have a second. Trying to put something in my calendar.
So for Monday, what you asked about is that's not for a conference, is it?
No, it's for Nashville in
We-
January. Oh, I don't know.
this year.
Mhm. Yes, the conference is 23rd to 23rd, and I gotta confirm with Ron if we'll drive down again.
What?
If we're gonna drive down, I can hear that.
Which conference is what, 20 through the conference?
Oh, that's that, Fargo, yeah.
What month?
January.
So it is, okay. So
Yeah.
that's what you're talking about, making that Nashville.
Yeah,
For
that's all,
January.
that's the hotel reservation.
Okay, thank you.
You go to Robert's kind of sort of home with the plate, really, that they should, but we talk about it.
Mr. McAfee, do you have Fuller?
I do have Fuller, and we can do him as soon as we take care of my client here. We're waiting on oops. Took me a second.
Who's Lewis?
Or is that next door?
That's probably next door. It was an exam felony. I think it's next door.
Next door, okay. I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Okay, all right.
Yes, it is next door. Here, Mr. Agnostic, Mr. Agnostic, we grab this for me, please. Thank you, sir. All right.
That you have, keep this one.
Fantasy?
That's too busy.
Busy?
Yep.
Very good. But I like it. It's better to be that than not.
Yeah. It's the point where you just get so much work, just like, well, I don't even know where to start right now. So that's.
Exactly. Yeah.
Can't dump 12 cases on this.
Oh my God.
So I was off like the fourth.
Mhm.
You
It looks like it's what you get.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I like to say I was the only one, but other, Dave and Chuck and stuff too. And Fidel's back there with us now too, so. A little bit. So he gets promoted.
Wow. Busy, busy.
Yeah, and it can't just be simple stuff. It's gotta be all phoned up search warrants.
Mm-hmm.
I hate phone numbers. I hate.
Do you guys go? How does that even work?
So,
But what if it, so you get it, just, picture in here, so,
thank you for.
yes, can you get, do you get it from like AT&T or do you have to have the actual phone?
If it's phone.
So
So
what if you can't unlock it?
So far, so good. And when I've had to do, I've been with all the video with a lot.
Okay.
So. There you go, we'll do, guys, time to reference. If I don't, need the phone, that goes to.
Okay.
That's those are the easy ones. It's the ones where you get like the actual phone, be the data dump on them. And I try to negotiate and read what's important versus what's not.
Oh, that was soft.
You get us off. You know what? I'll send it to you. Like I've gone through one a few times just to make sure I don't miss anything. And then I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna actually have giant fresh set of eyes.
Yep, yep.
But
Wow. Look at that.
I mean, it takes forever.
Right, 'cause, I mean, I guess, yeah, because I mean, you figure what just random people just say and hey,
Right.
yes, okay, no, you've gotta.
So the program, I'm getting a little bit better with it, like I can negotiate if I wanted to see what you roll between July 4th and July 6th. I can limit that. to
Oh, okay.
that Data and stuff. Excuse me, but so like
Be a lot.
just so much.
Wow, I guess I never really found that. A lot of times
Yeah.
I do phone down.
Right. You're welcome. She said it. Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's just so much. So much. Like, so- If it's, I don't know. It's gonna be great.
Wow, well, have a good day.
Yeah, you too. I think it'll be a little bit later. We're waiting for temperature shows.
Oh, from on that side,
I don't know if it's, yeah, it's gotta be hot, so.
Burton and Hopkins.
Yeah, Bert.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, next door.
Okay. You guys have a great day.
You too.
You too, sir.
Heather, can you call me?
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah. What time is it set at? Ask him if he needs later in the morning. I mean, we can do it to 10:30. Or, because otherwise, I know what you're thinking, it's gonna be dumped all the way to September 20th. Yeah, ask him if he can do later in the morning. 10:30. Or we'll have to, we'll have. All right. Thanks. Bye. Thank you.
There's still some vines out there for us.
Yeah, because I have.
They just said it.
We got,
Mr. Eric Harrison. What, Mr. Harrison? All right. One left out to the girl.
There was a couple out there. I'm not sure exactly.
all right, Mr. Hadley, what do you got?
So you got. Eric Harrison. So you're right. We stand before the court, and reached a resolution that A, B, and C matter are all going to be original counts dismissed.
No, they're not.
He's pleading to the MD. What's the, what, hey, you write up wrong?
If I'm reading this correctly,
Second line, you
the,
say,
the file I've got today is a 2022, drove while license suspended. That's the A ticket. So that is 002A. The B on that was an impeding traffic. That's,
No, you're looking at a 26 Van Buren case.
yeah, yeah. I don't even have the 2026 files up today. I've got one misdemeanor file from 2022, and we're not doing anything with civil infractions that are that old.
They're scheduled for August 13th at 11:30 with an Oakley.
Which should be local prosecutor.
It's Van Buren.
Yeah.
So we just need to back the drawing board on this.
On this DWLS. Yep, yep. Good news is I'll just keep it right there.
Yeah, and then you have that form.
Bless you, Joe.
So they're gonna come back. Yes, let's listen to the prosecutor, we'll try and get this to square. She goes, okay.
I'm gonna call them.
As just.
Heather, can you call me again?
Yeah. So
I got a file here. I don't have a body. It's the Al Sharif. I don't have any bodies yet, but I have the file. Yeah. You go look for him?
Sure.
Right, so. I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
One is defective turn signal and the other one's defective.
200
Which?
200 on both.
200. So hopefully, but in the meantime, I'll check out. Yes. Thank you.
There's a traveling company for us. It's a long story. I'm gonna shop my shower. It's so he doesn't want a different time on August 24th. Where does his final? Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't speak your flowers.
Yeah. And I did good, yes.
I mean, yeah. Oh, okay. Yep, that's fine.
Use out, it's good. You're saying yes to me?
For sure, do.
Do you see where you changed the bond on this person? We took a surety
Well,
bond.
If I didn't write anything, that doesn't mean I didn't change the bond, but I'm usually pretty good.
10%. And then Andy changed it to 6250 because I posted surety and he's asking me, what do I put on the bindle?
25,000.
She just was questioning.
Yeah.
It says, it's because it continues, and she's like, did someone change it?
No, the 6250 is what the surety is of
Okay,
25,000.
She just wanted to make sure she was questioning.
Yeah, you can keep the 25,000.
Okay, I can do so. I couldn't wait. I get no.
On Al Sharif? Yeah, the offer was impeding traffic and the foul too close to get dismissed.
Getting ready to sign it and then the prosecutor pulled it. And
Okay.
so I don't know what to do.
So he changed his mind?
Mind and said he's not allowed to offer it apparently.
Oh, because it's state police.
And I'm actually going to be requesting an adjournment because I'm uncomfortable with his demeanor right now.
Do you know if the trooper left?
No, he's here. And I asked if he's here.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm not adjourning it because you don't like the prosecutor's attitude.
No, it's just the way he's approaching me is just really disrespectful.
I'm still not adjourning it because there's a personality conflict.
And that's okay. I understand that.
But I've got a gap in my schedule. Let's hold it.
I'm ready.
Yeah, have a seat.
Yeah.
Have a seat. Oh, I'll send for him. Just have a seat. Go get Muhammad. Dismiss count one. Yeah, now that makes sense. All right. So did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yeah.
You understand your rights and the options they present to you? Ladies? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of it, are you pleading guilty to the added charge?
That'd be the allowing.
Yeah, okay.
That's all right. And you're doing so freely and voluntarily, is that correct? All right. Did you drive a vehicle on the date of November 2nd, 2022 in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
And on that day, was your license either suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge. I will dismiss the original charge. And
We print obviously for when we're back with Van Buren and the other matters.
Yeah.
You're on the whole purpose of where we're going with this case, so we can get valid, not have to, continue to go through the steps. We just ask the court to impose, fines, costs, and, welcome him back to that next one, Van Buren.
Okay. All right, Mr. Harrison, are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Parallels.
How long you been with him? Okay. And how close is he?
Any other rules? I think it was just this court. We have one other court to go to that.
I believe it's this one. I have,
Do you have anything he owes us?
This is that, yeah, I don't know. We didn't say other than your case in the left.
Insurance hasn't suspended.
Yeah, so in our court, it's the no proof of insurance from 2018 that's holding you up.
Hey.
Yeah.
So once the.
I'm not here.
Here, Van Buren Township. So shows us you owe $194 on that one. And from my reading of this, I'm 90% sure you clear that and we're not stopping you from getting a license, even though you got all these other pending files. So can you pay the 194 today?
I'll pay it right, guaranteed. I can guarantee it, or.
Yep.
Don't mind.
You're all.
It's better coming in here. It'll be, you do it here, it gets done immediately.
10 minutes, 5 minutes. Hey, though, right, then you can go to the Secretary of State the following Monday.
Okay, awesome.
I believe he's not, there's no warrant on the Van Buren cases that I got the dates confused on, right? That's.
Looks like they're all coming up for court dates, so there shouldn't be any warrants. All right. All right, anything else before I sentence?
No, sir, just that he's, stay active and getting this thing, wrapped up.
Okay. All right, Mr. Harrison, on this file, because we've got some late fees, it's more than normal. It's $600 fines and costs. I'm assessing 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. We run that program 7 days a week. You pick which days you work. The days you pick, you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. So as to the $600 on this one, go downstairs and talk about your options. Questions? Same place you're going to sign up for your days is where you talk about your options.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Counselor, are you ready on Fuller? Come on up, Mr. Fuller.
Sorry, we thought it was back in my Mississippi form, but apparently I can't handle 12 cases at once anymore.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, Alexander, United States Defender Service, DA 7455, Mr. Marcus Fuller, Mr. Fuller, please state your name for the record. The Marcus, Fuller.
Thank you. All right, counsel, I've got a plea agreement that says that we're going to add a count, misdemeanor count of use of ecstasy and the felony count would be dismissed, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Sir, do you understand the possible penalty for that added charge?
Yes.
And did you discuss with your attorney your rights and the options those rights give you? You know, your right to a trial and so on. You talked about all that today? You understand those rights and the options they give you? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
November 6, 2024, did you come in contact with Romulus PD?
Yes.
And at that time, had you been using ecstasy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, counsel?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Felonies dismissed. I'd like to send you for a pre-sentence investigation, but I'll give you a chance to talk me out of it if you want to try.
So, I might not agree with you, but Mr. Fuller had just spent a year going through Monroe County's drug rehab program.
Good.
Completed it successfully.
Awesome.
He honestly is thrilled with this offer.
Well, it's a good offer. Yeah. So how long you been clean now?
It saved my life. Like honestly, I got my family back. My family's speaking to me, and everything is going good. Working.
And have you thanked the court staff?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Would love to hear those stories. All right. Are you working?
Yes, sir.
Where at and how long?
Place for design, just in so interior decorating, place on the installer.
How long you been with them?
For 3 years.
Good. So they hung with you all through that process. Good. You must be a good employee. All right. Anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right. 12-month delayed sentence. You got to stay out of trouble. No new criminal charges. I'm not charging you any costs. That's my present to you for 1 year sobriety. Have a great day. Keep up the good work. You're welcome.
I have an announcement on the burial. I'm gonna waive, but I'm waiting to hear from Mohammed if he'll agree to take off the tether. I can make the case without him agreeing, but let's get back.
No, I gotta give him a chance to respond anyhow. Okay, tell him I'm ready to go.
Okay. That's been working in cases up to this.
Okay.
Minutes.
Yes. No, but.
This one over here. Gotcha. Still gotta go to that and.
Back.
You and Joe both. I haven't even seen a fly today, and you guys keep swallowing them. I think I looked into flights to Nashville. That's secret. It was just nuts.
And so that's why it was just better for you guys just to drive down.
I'll probably still look into
So why is it in January?
That's just when they do this Safari Club thing.
So that's a different thing that you got going down there. Usually you do the, is it January that you usually go? Yeah, bobcat, no, you had bobcat hunting last January.
I think it was January 1.
I don't think you ever.
I know it's always been cold.
But you didn't go last year.
No, last year I was supposed to, but
But Susie had.
you know,
Yeah.
she did all that health stuff.
You guys aren't doing court days this year?
You know what? It's so funny. I was just thinking that this morning that I should talk to John and see if he's up to a road trip.
It's.
That's usually in October.
October 15th through the 7th. We have to reschedule one of our days on the 6th, which is Friday.
We've been asked the court for a favor.
All right.
I have a client, I had a client who was waiting on Zoom, and we're gonna waive. And they should have been one form, maybe send a let them into the week.
Who's the, because they don't
Right.
they don't open Zoom on their, who's the defense?
Bert, Birton. Maybe Ken's.
I have nobody.
Oh.
But yeah, we might have a problem because I think it is a formal hearing.
So they would be on it?
No, he was offered and pleaded, and basically want to take out of it.
Yeah, it's already set for a formal hearing.
It's bottom of my list. I'm now talking to people who signed up for formal hearings that don't get, I think we're done.
See if this attorney's.
Let's go. Let me do some
What do you?
pro per speeding
That's
tickets.
for the.
Yeah,
one.
I heard that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he wants to waive, we'll
Yeah,
we let him in on Zoom.
we got to get the file though. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if this attorney's out there. Which is Karina. Hold on. Mr. Mohammed might know. Mr. Mohammed, do we have an attorney here on Davis formal hearing? Attorney Roger Fahina?
Yes, he's here.
Okay, so you want to adjourn?
Yes, he had to send me a video and I shared with him a copy of the evidence.
That's okay. All right, that's all right. It came in for, it said set for formal hearing. I'm like, it is.
Yes,
But you want to adjourn the formal hearing.
yes, it's a stipulation
So we need him to come in here and pick a date.
and that we just resolved.
Okay. All right, counsel, your appearance for Mr. El Sharif. Okay, I can't do $50. I can't do. I can do $0.
I'll wait.
Okay. Because I got a $145 minimum.
We could do $0.
You sure? All right. Counsel, do you have authority to enter this plea? And are responsible as charged? And are you entering a plea to follow too closely?
Yes.
All right. Fines and costs are? Have a nice day.
Good day.
Have a good day, ladies.
All right, so let me. I go grab the power, send it down.
That's weird, but it's follow too closely. He can't, because then the troopers are on his ass. The troopers are taking on no deals. And somebody told me county's doing the same thing, but I haven't seen that yet. But the troopers, I've seen it. And I get it, right? I get it. People are driving just, man, driving's bad. And then you get a situation where, you know, if you're working the system all around the state, you might be getting breaks every week on bad driving and nobody knows.
I can ask how to see if you're on Zoom and then in person, and even if you chose not to hold the exam.
I had no idea. I mean, that's not so representing, I didn't even, I came here this morning. So I apologize, but,
So he's not on yet.
well, that's fine.
You gave him my.
I send it 491 and 56074. I can something.
I will counsel on that one there, the meet date.
Counsel, you're here on Davis. You just need a date?
January, September 8th as the date.
Does that work for us?
These are supposed to actually, it's our. That's on.
Okay, we'll get you notices. You're welcome. And I'm looking for Burton to be zooming in. There he is. There he is. I got him. I got him. Counsel, I'm ready with Burton. But now keep in mind, he probably won't hear you because my audio is bad this week. So speak up real loud.
I will use my church voice, Your Honor.
Counsel, go ahead and put your appearance on.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Alexandria Knights, Neighborhood Defender Service, PH 7455. Mr. Burton, who is on Zoom, will you please state your name for the record?
Eric Burton. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Burton. Mr. Burton, I understand that you are going to waive your preliminary exam today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the purpose for an exam?
Yes, sir.
You understand your rights and options? You've discussed those with your attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if we enter the waiver today, your next court date will be at the circuit court level, not at the district court level where I'm at.
Yes, sir.
And understanding all of this, you want to waive.
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with the waiver, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll enter the waiver. Your next court date is going to be August 11 at 9 a.m.
Okay, yes, sir.
Counsel will continue bond?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, I'm going to ask you to sign the waiver form
Gladly.
after I'm done scribbling.
Did you say August 11th, sir?
August 11th. Also, if you would sign. All right, I think we're all set. Mr. Burton, any questions for your attorney?
Not at the moment, sir.
All right, you're good to go. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Mr. Bishop.
They pulled the file. It's
Oh,
on
did they?
very.
Oh, okay. All right, I told Barry Hill because somebody said something about that file, but I don't know what it was now.
Because they're here, he's working with the prosecutors because he.
Yes, he was waiting for the other discussion. Yeah. So I was told this weekend, somebody told me that I have my own sub channel on Law Nerds. I can't find it.
Your own channel?
Sub channel is what I called it. Of course, I don't know what a sub channel is. I just assumed if I typed in Law Nerds sub channel, something would come up. The internet's gonna get tired of me because there's nothing new lately.
Well, I feel like you're swearing that we've been getting.
That's true. John was telling me yesterday, John and Sharon, when that they saw another one. I'm like, who was it? John said, I don't know, just one of those guys you were yelling at. And Sharon said, no, it was Mr. Purcell. I said, my God, that case is older than hell.
Just put down on. YouTube. Oh, there you go.
What do you got?
This is Ron Folder, Your Honor.
Holder with an H?
Yes.
Come on up, Mr. Holder. All right, counsel, your appearance?
Doesn't have. Yeah, they're fine.
What are we doing?
You have to adjourn it so that the company can hire an attorney or handle it themselves. Correct.
I don't have a company on a ticket. So the company's not gonna come in and represent Mr. Holder.
Well,
All these files are in the name of Ron Holder.
there's a Cleveland Switching Services, and there is a representative. So I am not a trucking expert.
Okay, hold on a minute, because your paperwork's not matching mine. Okay, but the ticket was issued to Mr. Holder. So Mr. Holder is the defendant.
We have an issue, that we had worked this out, Mr. Holder had, his medical had expired, he got it that day.
Okay,
Prosecutor's willing to dismiss that misdemeanor.
okay,
There's pleaded responsible on the two civil infractions.
which is equipment and equipment. Okay, okay,
Per Mr. Holder's boss just showed up to court. What they got from the police department is different than this ticket, and it says those are waivable civil infractions, and they in fact got them fixed.
are you the boss?
Yes, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Phil Hammond.
When you say you got something from the department, what did you get?
Got that one there, and then we.
Okay, no, you didn't get this ticket. He got these tickets. Okay,
We also, and then we also got a, citation from Michigan State Police about the issues that are on the ticket.
where's your citations?
That's what we're getting adjourned for. We're gonna bring it back in, because I don't have it on me, I just ran up here when I heard what was going on.
Okay, so it sounds like two different entities got charged with the same thing. Is that what you're thinking?
Yes.
Right.
Go ahead. No, that's all right. Go ahead.
Seems to be that you're able to provide some mercy here. I also need to recommend one of the two chiefs. Or two, it looks like you'd like the tickets. Unless I'm.
But until I got the other file, I don't know.
What's
Well, let's hold on. Let me see if we got it in your computer. No, well, but I don't want to take care of these files and then have your files pop up. So let me have give me your business name again.
Vernon Industrial Services, but the it's under, CSS Cleveland Switching.
CSS or
Cleveland Switching.
Cleveland Switch.
We have nothing for CSS.
Yeah, anything under Cleveland Switching?
No. No.
So we don't even have anything. So let's take care of these. If you get any more information about yours, then you come on up and talk and we'll remember. I won't remember tomorrow, but she'll remember. Yeah. Matter of fact, you can put something in the ROA.
So I don't know, Rob, I mean, we're going for us later, and just get this.
Can you put something in the comments on this one, that there was something about Cleveland Switching that's not in the system, but if it comes in, we're going to dismiss it as per Mr. Kaplan? Right? As long as the same incident date shows up, we're just, no, I don't, that's all right. All right, that makes sense?
It's Cleveland Switching, not the CSS.
Right. That was just his shorthand way to talk about them. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna pay on the 2 equipment violations today and dismiss the misdemeanor.
We are. Originally, I was told that Mr. Taylor was going to take care of that.
Okay.
Okay,
All right, so
thank you.
Miss
Dismiss.
and Mr. Holder is gonna plead responsible on the civil infractions that the boss is gonna pay today. We're all on the same page?
Okay, we're good.
We're on the same page? Okay.
We do have that, right?
I don't need it. It's all on the record. I don't need it.
They are looking at the citation we got from Mr. Staples.
Yeah, and then we can deal with that. Yeah. So when you come in, tell them you've got paperwork for Heather. All right. So go downstairs. My cashier will smile when she takes your money and you guys are out of here.
You guys have a great day.
You too. No, you're all right.
You guys have a great day.
too.
Sir, thank you again, sir.
No problem. Yep. Yeah, it's a confusing situation.
Okay, I think I'm officially done.
Hey, your gun will stick up the budget.
Done as usual. I'll be back. I'm very well.
Yep, I'm ready. Come on up. Gentlemen, your appearance is on the People versus Berry Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed Mohammed on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Alexander Ignatius, service PA 7455, Mr. Berry Hill.
All right, what are we doing? What do we got today?
We are waiting, the comparative exam, and, we are asking the court to Heather, that she is on. Obviously, we're not, disputing the seriousness of these allegations. Primary concern with Berry Hill is, that Heather is beyond uncomfortable. It's caused her, serious, irritation. And it's impeding with blood flow. When it's loose on her, it comes back as a tether violation. We've dealt with that at least twice.
Okay.
And I understand that, again, it's a serious charge and it's not a unique charge in Ms. Berry Hill's history. However, Ms. Berry Hill's circumstances are, as far as travel and all that, are very constrained. She has 3 children under the age of 5 in the house. One of whom is profoundly autistic. Another one of whom has some serious other health issues. The 4.5-year-old is fine. But essentially, Ms. Berry Hill stays at home anyway, other than attending for children's medical needs.
Okay. What, is she on an alcohol tether or GPS tether? I don't even see it having been ordered. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay. Yeah, I got it. I had to find it. Okay, but here's my problem. The alcohol tether was ordered, so we knew she wasn't drinking while she was on bond. So unless we can replace the alcohol tether with something else, she's gonna have to suffer with the alcohol tether, at least until she gets to her AOI and makes the argument in front of another court. So, I mean, she could do some kind of, daily testing or something like that if she can find some place to set it up.
Well, then we'll look into that on our end and, you know, hopefully we'll be able to address that for the AOI.
Yeah, I mean, well, you know, if I bind it over, I have lost jurisdiction, but I'm willing to entertain a bond request. All right, so I don't think we got the waiver out of the way yet. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you today? You understand the purpose for a preliminary exam? You understand that if you waive the exam, that means your next court date's downtown at the circuit level, not here at the district court where we're at. Understanding all of that, are you waiving freely and voluntarily? Gentlemen, are you satisfied that the waiver was proper?
Bench is satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll continue bond as is, subject to some future development, and I'll ask counsel and Miss Berryhill to sign. Signature, Joe. Miss Berryhill, you owe us money on some civil infractions, $652. One ticket from Huron, 2022 impeding traffic, and one from Romulus, 2023 distracted driving. Are you in a position to set some kind of regular payments up on these?
I can set record payments. Just ask for, I get social security from my son, I can't work or anything, so if we could just.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, our only option is not payment plan. So go downstairs and talk about your options. Just, I need a commitment from you that before you leave the building, you'll have a plan to get these cleared up. Okay, do that on the, downstairs on your way out. You're welcome. You as well. Are we ready on Washington? Miss Washington, I understand that you're going to plead responsible to an added charge of double parking, and the original charge from February 10 would be dismissed, correct? All right, Mr. Catlin, I can't do 30, but I've got a bond. I can apply the $195 bond. A 145 is the minimum. If I do anything, I have to do at least 145. So I can do anything between 0 and 145.
Where it's less, or is it?
It's all the same. If I assess fines and costs on any civil infraction, I've got those two fees that I have to put on there. We've already got her bond money if she wants to walk from that.
I've assured the young lady, Judge, that the ticket will, this matter will not be known to the Secretary of State or to the Revision.
All right, so what's that do about the money?
145 if you can.
But yeah, I can do that. So she'll get a little bit of money back. Is that the way you want to resolve it? You're gonna plead responsible. I'll take 145 out of your bond and you'll get a little money back. Okay, that's what we'll do.
Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You recognize the gentleman in the front? Retired judge. He's not sure from where.
From where?
Wayne County.
God, I don't recognize him. I don't recognize him. Of course, I didn't do a lot of circuit court stuff.
AC.
We're still.
Business that thought they were midstream and doing something that got a lot of media recently with the judge being out of their lane.
Oh, yeah.
He went, walking him in. I can get that over to you, but if
Oh,
I have it done, I should have it to you by the end of the day, good tomorrow.
No, no problem.
Should.
No problem.
I'm in, I gotta go to Hall of Justice tomorrow, or what do we call it now? The Criminal Justice Center.
CJC, what Criminal Justice Conference Center? Yeah. I can't remember that either.
You have, if you go to the top floor and walk to like the south end of the building, they got some of the best Detroit skyline views
Really?
because of where it's at.
Yeah.
Because you think about it, once you're in downtown, you look out a window and the buildings are right
Yeah, yeah.
there. It's just far enough north of everything that
You can actually,
uh,
see more than 100 feet.
So that's always my saving grace, get there early enough to watch the.
Judge, did you read the email from that site?
No, I don't think I got it. Yeah, I checked my emails today. I'm fine.
We're supposed to be up on at 10.
Who was?
Federal prison.
You mean stick around now then?
No,
here.
no.
Okay.
Don't read number 2 first, read number 1.
Did you send it to me?
Yep, I sent you, in my response, like, my beginnings, first and second.
I give a step less because it's I just realized it's 7:12. That's out of my exam project.
Oh.
Oh, okay, I see it, I see
But,
it.
do you think, how far should I put the expiration?
We have,
Are you still,
Yeah.
still either on the date?
My man, take care of him, Captain. I had Green for Life,
I get to shut.
responsible to overweight, I just wrote it up.
Judge, can you tell Mr. Fish he's good, because they never hear me no more? Mr. Fish, Attorney Fish is on. Oh, he's.
I can barely hear you.
That's my thought.
All right, so I understand you have corporate authority counsel for GFL to enter a plea to an overweight ticket from May 11, 2026, yes?
I do, yes.
Fines and costs $1,650.
Yes.
Due within 2 weeks, do it?
You know what? Been having trouble with getting our credit card through your system, so I'm
Okay.
having to send these through corporate. So I think 30 days, please, Judge.
30 does it?
I hope so.
Okay, you got it.
Thank you, Judge. Have a nice day. Appreciate it.
You as well.
Oh.
There's nobody else out there.
Yeah, what'd you do?
They,
It worked out.
yeah, they pledged for.
I see all the communication between Marlisa, but I don't see a message from the defendant.
All the way at the very bottom it should be.
I am able to come today after 1 PM and anytime after August 7th.
Yeah, but that's the second one. The first one.
Scroll. I'm
No,
scrolling.
go, get out of there and go to the other email that I sent you.
Well, I got the one that says this is first one, but there's no message with it.
At the very, very bottom. From the defendant, after Merlee's.
I need to shut down my Zoom and bring it back up.
There's nothing.
Yeah,
There's nothing. There's something from Vanessa. There's some link here.
Oh, then it should be, oh, so Vanessa's. Then, thank you. Then what does Marlisa say?
Is advised.
Request is for July 28th. Okay, so then I guess she requested an adjournment and that was sent to her yesterday.
And what was scheduled?
Today, she doesn't like to appear, show cause for failing to appear.
What's the underlying charge though?
DWLS.
So she'll be bench warranted. This is the second time she hasn't showed up for court.
Yeah, well, and it's over a year old. This all started in June of last year. Defendant called in again, requested to reschedule, appear for today, advised of the ROI notes, the email was forwarded to Heather, no new date shown. Also advised defendant again to reply to all, to email sent yesterday to inform court availability.
No, no, there's a bench warrant. She can come in.
Yeah, so just the warrant stays, so she appears.
There's already a warrant in the system and it stays until she shows up. All right, I'm gonna go have some lunch. And then I'll come back. I got a warrant I gotta deal with. Okay. All right, YouTube, I think we're done for the day on Zoom, so you guys all be safe. Just shut it down. Actually, I'm probably not gonna come back. I'm probably just gonna go to my dentist.
Thank you, Judge.